Alright guys, so today is my first day of class for my instructor's program. You asked me why I have this winter hat on. It's a long story, but I'm gonna be late. I'm supposed to meet my teacher at 8, and I realized I didn't have a name tag last night, but it was too late to go and get a name tag. So now the store doesn't open up until 8, and I need to be in class at 8. So needless to say, I'm gonna be late, but I'll see you guys soon.
Yeah, a lot of times your missing pigment is gonna be that red pigment. So, in order for them not to turn ashy or green, which I know that's the new trend, but still not this color of green.
Yeah, let's just do two colors. Let's do two colors because I still have almost in the routine to do that strength activity. So choose the two colors you have the most of. Like mine, I've got the most orange, and then I have to choose between blue and brown. That's your choice. I'll do brown. Okay, so mine were even for the second color. So look what you have, the two most colors. Okay? And then match them up with the questions here. And we're going to go around the room. Did you get some too? Shanice did too. Yeah, I'll start out. So everyone, where we're saying this, everybody be quiet and be respectful so we can hear kind of questions, nothing too personal or anything. The first one of mine is orange, and my ultimate educational goal, I've done it, which is, my master's degree. Of course, never forget it, and you know the story. And the other one, I'm going to say brown. My favorite holiday, of course, is Christmas. Okay? After I do that, I can do that. We'll start right here with Shanice. Miss Shanice.
Okay. What's my favorite movie is Babs and The Godfather. And then my second, I got a tie. Cause I got
just choose whichever one you want. I had a tie.
Okay, I'm just gonna take the blue. So my favorite movie is Babs and Godfather.
Okay. So did you answer two questions?
Oh shoot, I'm eating before it. Okay, brown. What is my favorite holiday? I don't have one.
No?
Maybe one day.
Okay. Nothing that comes up 4th of July or anything like that? Okay. Not even Thanksgiving?
You know what? I like food, so I'll pick Thanksgiving.
There you go. We knew we could find one for you. Okay, we'll go ahead.
Okay. Mine are brown and green. My favorite holiday is Christmas. And my favorite food is anything Mexican. My first one is red. So my favorite service to do in cosmetology is I absolutely love doing color. And then my next one is orange. So my ultimate educational goal is to finish cosmetology. And I have like a year left to get my bachelor's in business. So I'd like to go back for that. And
Yay!
maybe open up my next one.
Awesome. What school do you do your bachelor's been working on?
So I had like a 3-in-1. I was gonna do it here and then finish at Davenport.
Oh, okay.
So
I think Miss Fisher got her bachelor's through Davenport.
yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
We going to school. Well, currently, guys, I'm talking kind of low because she's doing a tour of the classrooms and things of that nature. And I don't want to put anybody's face in here that doesn't have any consent. So I'll just kind of give you guys a little show. It smells just like it did when I was in school. A bunch of mannequins and hair products. Look at them, they have TVs in here. We didn't used to have TVs.
So we'll go back out here if there's any questions.
Well, all right, guys. Today was my first day. It was a pretty long day, but I guess the only reason why I feel like it's a long day is because I had to get up at 5:30, and then I really didn't do much work today because basically today was the instructors like reading the syllabus to the students and everything. So I'm guessing it's their first day too, but I think next week I'll be picking my schedule. So basically, like, because they want you to at least commit 21 hours a day. I mean, I'm sorry, 21 hours a week. You can come more, but not more than 40. So my days that I'll be choosing is Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And if I can come in any extra time during the week, I mean any extra day during the week, then I will. But that's what I'll tell her is those 3 days, because those days are dependable. But I'm so excited because I like literally been waiting and waiting and waiting to go back to school, and I prayed about it, and I was just like, I've already went to school before, if any of you know that or not. But so I'm like, I really don't have a lot of financial aid, and they weren't really trying to let me go back to school. So I'm like, Lord, if this is in your will, then make a way. If it's not, that's fine, and I won't ask again. So when he told me that I could, I was like, cool, let's hurry up and let's do this. So I'm happy, I'm excited, and I can't wait to show you guys the rest of my journey. I already got the okay to kind of record some stuff so that I can show you guys, like, my process and everything. So see you guys when I see you. Peace.